In this video, we are creating nut for the swell bearing. So here is the model we are going to create. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your dimensions to a millimeter. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Take circle tool. From origin, draw a circle of diameter 8. From polygon, circumscribe polygon. Okay, from origin, you can draw. Yes. Then dimension, this length is 15. Okay. You have to give horizontal constraint, center and this point. Okay, now the sketch is fully constrained. From solid, invoke extrude feature, select this profile. In direction is symmetric, measurement, wall length and distance is 8. Okay. Bring to isometric view. Invoke create sketch, select this profile. Take circle tool and from origin draw a circle of diameter 15. Okay. Now in solid, extrude. Select this profile. In extend type, all. Okay. Opt flip direction. Taper angle you have to give 35. And in operation intersect. Okay. Now from create, take mirror feature. In object type features, select this feature. Mirror plane we will select. Can select this back plane. Okay. Yes. Now this cut is mirrored. Now we will give thread. Invoke thread feature. Select the inner circular face. Change to model. And accept default setting. Okay. So it is finished. We designed the nut. And here is the final design.